Ning tambadi pirakadaba nate laugadabani haiba Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki wakhalonda haukiba adugumba ihausingna India asi ning tamba leibak ama oiba ngamkhibani haina Manipur ki Governor Kumar Bhalana Pangthokkhre Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki chamakun mapalak suba birth anniversary ga mari leinana Parakram Diwas Lisingani Kuntaruk Ngasi Bisnupur District Moirang Leiba INA gi Auditorium the Pangthokkhre INA War Museum cum Library Moirang Manipur Lengaki Department of Arts and Culture INA Local Advisory Committee Moirang Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Northeast Zone Cultural Center NEJCC Ministry of Culture and Integration Rally 2026 Knowledge Resource Center Foundation KRC Foundation na Punna sendona pangthokhiba thoram aduda natki jagoi isai kaya so utuna saruk yakhiba singi pukning chingsinki Governor na any integration rally amadi vehicle convoy su INA Moirang daki lamthaki thoram aduda thoiba mithunglen oina saruk yakhiba Governor Kumar Bhalana phongdokhibada Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose na laikhidraba matungda mahakna India sinning kha tamna hotnakhiba kaya hen mayek sengna khangnaba hengalakli mahak haidokhiba wangakpa Pidam ningai oiba thabak kaya tauramba mahakna ningtambasi pirakadaba nate laugadabani haiba mahaki wakhalonda haukiba ihausingna India si ningtamba leibak ama oiba ngamkhibani thauramasi mahaki kathokpa adu ningsingba khaknate national security hena kankhathanabagi tangai fadaba amani haiki
Netaji never compromised the dignity of India. He firmly believed that freedom could not be begged for. It had to be earned. When he sought support from the world, he did so not as a supplicant, but in the cause of justice and humanity. Under his inspirational leadership, the Indian National Army emerged as a powerful instrument of national awakening. Thousands joined the INA. Let's reflect deeply on the ideals for which Netaji stood. Courage, unity, discipline and selfless service to the nation. Patriotism is not confined to moments of crisis alone. It must be lived every day through integrity, responsibility and dedication to national progress. As India moves forward on the path of development and self-reliance, guided by the vision of a Viksit Bharat, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that our youth inherit not only the memory of our freedom fighters but also their sense of duty, national pride and commitment to the greater good.